When the body aches, the throat burns, or the spirit feels weak, a cup of SALABAT is all you need. And it's true. For generations, Filipino families have relied on a simple golden remedy, a blend of ginger, honey, and warm water known as SALABAT. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This isn't just tea. It's tradition. It's love. It's healing passed down through the hands of grandmothers and mothers who believed that nature always knows best. Imagine waking up in a Filipino village, misty morning air, the sound of roosters, and the gentle aroma of ginger simmering on the stove. A warm cup is poured, steam rising like comfort in the air. That first sip? Spicy, sweet, soothing, a natural hug from within. Today on envilush, we're uncovering the incredible science and magic behind this ancient drink. How this humble tea became a cure-all for generations. How it protects against illness, inflammation, fatigue, and digestive troubles. And how you can easily make it part of your daily routine, no matter where you live. So stay with me till the very end, because you'll discover how this powerful drink can truly transform your health, naturally. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to envilush and tap that bell icon so you never miss another natural healing secret. The history and legacy. Let's travel back in time. Centuries ago, before pharmacies and pills, Filipinos turned to their environment, to plants, roots, and herbs that grew abundantly in their lands. Ginger, or luya, was one of the most sacred roots. Its warming, fiery energy was seen as a natural defense against cold, flu, fatigue, and even sadness. Families brewed SALABAT not just for sickness, but for strength, clarity, and balance. It became a daily ritual, a sign of love, care, and resilience. Singers drink it before performances to soothe their throats. Farmers sipped it after long days to relax their bodies. Mothers made it for their children when they felt weak. It wasn't just tea, it was comfort medicine. And guess what? Modern science now confirms that this old wisdom was far ahead of its time. The science behind SALABAT's healing power. So what makes this drink so powerful? Let's explore its two magical ingredients. Ginger, the warming root of life. Ginger contains over 100 active compounds, but the star among them is gingerol, a bioactive substance that's a natural anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial. Here's what it does inside your body. It reduces inflammation, which is the root of most chronic diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. It boosts circulation, warming your body and energizing your cells. It helps clear mucus and open airways, perfect for coughs and colds. And it improves digestion, easing bloating, nausea, and sluggish metabolism. Honey, nature's liquid gold. Honey is packed with enzymes, minerals, and natural antibacterial compounds like hydrogen peroxide and flavonoids. It's not just sweet, it's medicinal. Honey coats and soothes the throat, easing cough and irritation. It fights bacteria and viruses, strengthening immunity. It acts as a natural prebiotic, feeding good gut bacteria. And it helps with healing and tissue repair. When you combine ginger and honey, you create a perfect balance, spicy fire and sweet calm, that detoxifies, heals, and energizes your body. How SALABAT protects your health. Let's break it down into the major ways this drink acts as a natural cure-all. Fights cold, cough, and flu. Ginger warms your body and clears congestion, while honey coats the throat and reduces irritation. This duo works better than many chemical syrups without side effects. Strengthens immunity. Both ginger and honey increase the production of white blood cells, your body's soldiers. This means fewer infections, quicker recovery, and more resistance against seasonal illnesses. Protects your heart. Regular consumption can help lower cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and improve circulation, all essential for a healthy heart. Fights fatigue and stress. Ginger improves blood flow to the brain and enhances alertness, while honey provides gentle energy and supports better sleep cycles. Boost digestion and metabolism. Drinking SALABAT after meals helps stimulate digestive enzymes, reduce bloating, and improve nutrient absorption. Reduce inflammation and pain. If you suffer from headaches, joint pain, or menstrual cramps, this tea acts like a natural anti-inflammatory, easing pain gently over time. Detoxify the body. It flushes toxins from your liver, improves circulation, and restores your body's natural balance, leaving you feeling clean, light, and energized. What science says. Research from the National Library of Medicine and Harvard Health confirms ginger has cancer-fighting properties, especially in reducing the growth of abnormal cells. Honey improves immunity and supports wound healing through antimicrobial action. Together, they can help reduce oxidative stress, one of the main causes of chronic diseases and premature aging. So when you sip SALABAT, you're not just enjoying tea. You're drinking a natural shield that protects your body from the inside out. How to make SALABAT, Filipino ginger honey tea. Now, let's learn how to make this traditional remedy at home. You'll need 2 cups of water, 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced or crushed, 1 to 2 teaspoons of pure raw honey. Optional, a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of turmeric or cinnamon in a small pot for extra benefits. Add ginger and water. Bring to a boil and let it simmer for 10 minutes. Strain into a cup and let it cool slightly. Stir in honey and optional ingredients. Take a deep breath, inhale the aroma, and enjoy each sip. It's warm, spicy, soothing, a little kick of life in every cup. When to drink it. Morning, to awaken your metabolism, warm your stomach, and energize your body. After meals, to aid digestion and prevent bloating. Before bed, to relax your throat, calm your nerves, and support restful sleep. At the first sign of illness, it works best when you drink it early. Pro tips for maximum benefits. Always use fresh ginger. The healing compounds fade when dried. Never boil honey. Heat destroys its nutrients, so always add it last. Stay consistent. 1 cup daily keeps your body strong and balanced. Use filtered water. Pure ingredients create pure healing. The beauty side of SALABAT. And yes, SALABAT isn't just for health. It's also great for your skin and hair. Ginger improves blood flow, giving your skin a natural glow. Honey keeps your skin hydrated and helps reduce acne-causing bacteria. A cup a day supports your beauty from the inside out. So next time your throat feels scratchy, your energy feels low, or your mood feels heavy, skip the pills and reach for this ancient Filipino treasure. A warm cup of SALABAT reminds us that true healing is simple, natural, and timeless. This is more than just tea. It's a ritual of wellness, a gift from the earth, and a legacy of care passed down through generations. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. Let's bring back the power of natural healing, 1 cup at a time. Tell me in the comments, have you ever tried SALABAT? Will you make your first cup today? I'd love to hear your experience. This is envilush, where nature meets wellness, and every sip brings you closer to balance.